Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update GM Super Cruise readiness settings after software update. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To update GM Super Cruise readiness settings after a software update, start your vehicle and ensure it is in park. Access the vehicle's touchscreen and navigate to the settings menu. Locate the vehicle or vehicle settings option and select it. Find the software update or software information section. Confirm that the recent software update has been installed. Return to the main settings menu and look for the Super Cruise option. Select Super Cruise and check the status of the system. If prompted, acknowledge any notifications or terms related to the Super Cruise feature. Next, navigate to the readiness or calibration settings within the Super Cruise menu. Follow any on-screen instructions to calibrate the Super Cruise system settings. Ensure the necessary vehicle parameters are met, such as lane markings and sensor functionality. Once calibration is complete, check for an update on the Super Cruise status. If the system is ready, a confirmation message will appear on the screen. In case of any issues, refer back to the Super Cruise menu for troubleshooting options. Finally, close the settings menu and ensure your vehicle is equipped to utilize the Super Cruise feature. Your GM Super Cruise settings are now updated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.